What's up, YouTube? Today I was gonna make a quick video on how to remove your back seat. Just thought it would help someone out, but yeah, let's get into it. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to remove the stuff that's in your way. I mean, basically, you don't have to, but it will make your job easier. So specifically this little piece right here and this other thing, so you can get in there and have some more space. So you take this off. All you're gonna need is a 14mm socket and a wrench, I believe. If not, I'll let you know. But yeah, you put this to the side. I don't want to put it on the ground because it's dirty. Put it on top of here for now. Let's hope nothing happens. Okay. Move that. Pull your seats down. I mean, I guess you could leave this piece on there. And then you might have to get in your hatch, which should be no problem. There's quite a bit of space in here. So you're gonna move this back, and there you're gonna see the 14s, or I'm not sure if they're 14s actually. They're actually 12s. I just remembered. I'm gonna need a 12mm for these. So I'll do that real quick and get back to you guys. Alright, so I took those out to 12mm. So there's that. And you're gonna see how it's holding it with that little thing, metal piece. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it down on both sides, just kind of hard with one hand, and it comes off like that. There we go. Same thing on the other side. And the top of it is out. And then these, you take those out. Take those out. These right here, they're 10mm. There's 2 right here. And then 2 on the other side, I believe. And then this should just pop up. And then that's really it. So, and then to put it back on there, you slide it under these things, just how it was. And then make sure everything's nice and tight. And then just put everything back together. Thought I'd make the video just to help someone out. It's pretty easy and really takes not that much work. So if the video helped you out, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and thank you for watching.